brought you. Let's see what Santa brought you. Rip it open.
Along with about 2 grams of heroin,
Rip it.
a couple grams of coke. So what I
Hurry.
decided to do is take the
What is it? Oh, looky there.
this. I've attempted suicide a few times, 3 drug overdoses only.
Hold on, Jamie. Go get you another one.
Only died by a drug overdose. Say I was living the way I should die.
Here's another one. There's another one. Rip it open.
I'm gonna watch this. I got,
Go on, Jutsi. Okay, I'll help you. Looky there.
adrenaline was pumping. The road over here.
Look at your elbow.
I wasn't really trying to get away.
All right, now Jamie, go get you another one.
I was on a suicide mission.
Here's another one for Julian. Look, another present. Rip it open, hurry. Get it,
My hood.
get it.
I said, "We're gonna kill
Okay. Here, look.
Yeah, I gotta go home.
Look.
It's music time. There was a farmer had a dog.
That's for Julian. Let me get you another one. Settle down over there.
This is skin tag here, a skin tag there. Those bothersome, embarrassing skin tags pop up everywhere.
Look, Gammy's boy.
The skin tag remover
Rip it open. Rip it open. Okay. There you go. Rip it open. What do you got? Oh! Oh! Just turn it. Okay, okay.
apply all natural tag away restoration. Skin tags will just dry out and fall away. Whether it's your neck or under your arms, tag away removes them all.
Okay, I got one. What, baby? What? Okay, hold on. Make Gammy get the last one.
Recognize for its tag removing by the homeopathic pharmacopoeia.
Look. Look at that. Here, come on, let's get up and open this one. Let's open this one. Hurry. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Open that one. Julian. Julian. Tear it open. Well, tear it open. Hurry. Rip it. You can do it. Look at that. See, you can do it. Rip it. There you go. See, Gamma helped you. Oh, look what Santa brought you. Looky there. Let's unwrap it and see what it can fit. It's a tomater. Oh, looky there. It's a tomater. All right, Grandma, turn this off and get it out of the box.